Hello, hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Afternoon na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Happy Saturday, beautiful people. 1:18 p.m. po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope your life is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, and enjoying life, di ba? A weekend na naman. Weekend na naman. Oh my goodness. Which is good. That means so much fun. Merna, thank you. Thank you for watching. Kala-live ko lang sis. Thank you. Kauon ko lang talaga. Thank you, thank you. Maraming salamat. I hope your Saturday is fantastic. You're having fun. That's good. Si Tita nga po pala ito. Happy Saturday. Shout out sa aking mga followers diyan. I always acknowledge you guys and I appreciate you all. Thank you sa suporta nyo. Thank you for your tawag nun, sa mga comments nyo. Thank you sa pag-support nyo sa page ko. Likes, whatever, comment. Appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Maraming salamat. Anyhow, another weekend. Pag-uusapan na naman natin. Ano naman pag-uusapan natin? Hindi ako mawawala ng topics. Hindi ako mawawala ng topics. Ang daming dapat pag-usapan. But anyhow, ang nilagay ko dyan, that's my highlight today. Bakit daw ba maraming tao ang gusto na mag-work online? Bakit nga ba? Kape muna tayo. Ang aking kape today is hindi masyado mainit, but it's okay. But anyhow, why do a lot of people likes to work online? Because napakadaming rason, especially kung naandito tayo sa abroad. Super daming rason. Especially kung may family ka, you have small kids, all of those things, and kasi kahit nandito nga kami sa abroad is malaki din ang gastusin. Dollars din po ang ginagastos namin. Dollars na ang kinikita, dollars din naman ang ginagastos. So it's very convenient kung ang work mo is online, or some companies offers remote work. Parang katulad nung dati ko sa resort. So there are days na talagang dapat nasa naandoon ako, but I can also work online sometimes. So depende yun. But of course, during check-in time, talagang naandoon ako, which is weekend and holiday. So yun. But anyhow, there are lots of companies as well na nag-o-offer ng yung work na remote, sa bahay ka lang or anywhere. Meron yun. So maswerte ka kung makakahanap ka ng ganong klaseng company na pagtatrabahuan mo. Otherwise, talagang traditional na naandun ka sa opisina mismo, nakakulong ka sa four corners ng inyong office, or kung ano man yung klase ng work mo. So ganun talaga. So most of the work talaga is naandun ka physically. So anyhow, bakit nga ba? So for me, I choose to work, or I choose to have my own business, online business, because yun nga, convenient, because at that time talagang lagi na lang yung anak ko ang naiiwan, and then yung bang it's better because you're growing it for your family, and then very convenient kasi dala-dala namin ito kahit saan. Kung work ka online, when we're talking about work online na may employer ka, of course, limitado pa rin ang kita mo doon, di ba? Limited ka pa rin. Whereas kung katulad ng ginagawa namin na business is kami mismo yung nagdi-dictate ng growth namin, ng business namin. So in other words is talagang kami yung we can work on our own terms. We can work on our own schedule. We can work on how many hours we wanna put in. We can work kung day or night or whatever. So basically we work on our own terms. Walang boss, kami mismo yung boss. So yun ang difference kung business mo, sariling business mo, or you are employed by somebody else and work at home. 'Di ba? So yun yung difference. Now, but anyhow, hindi lang naman it's because we want money, or of course that's the first thing, because for me, Rachel, thank you for watching. For me, the reason I wanted to start a business online, because one is so I can have more time with my son and with my family, of course. Now, on top of that, it's not only that we need time, we have to have our income as well, di ba? So, kasi kung hindi ka naman pwede na, paano ang mga bills? Hindi naman tumitigil yan, di ba? It's monthly, andyan yan. So you have to have that balance na you have your time for your family, time for yourself, at the same time is nakakapag-provide ka rin. So, what is the, ano ba talaga ang pinaka-perfect na work or business? So I would rather say na business talaga, because again, if you are working remotely, you still have the boss, di ba? Whereas kung sarili mong negosyo, ikaw ang boss. Di ba? Ikaw ang boss. So iyan ang ano diyan, kaibahan. But anyhow, going back to why we want to work online, or we want to earn income online, because again, it's very convenient, and hindi lang talaga na yung we're talking about income, hindi lang yun. For me is I am enjoying it because my growth is personal growth. Pag-usapan natin ng personal growth, and then andun din yung nagkakaroon ako ng maraming time para sa anak ko, sa family ko, at sa sarili ko rin. Because again, I can work anytime I want, anywhere I want, diba? For me, busy din ako. I am a busybody. So today lang, I had 2 classes. Nagtuturo ako ng fitness classes, although hindi na full-time yung work ko. I'm still a busy mom. I'm very busy. So, kaya ko nagustuhan ang negosyo na ginagawa ko is super flexible, super convenient, na kahit na andoon ako, busy ako, nagtuturo, after na magturo ako, pwede ko siyang i-check anytime. So, i-check ko siya kahit saan, dala-dala cellphone ko lang naman. It's kasi pagka na-set up mo na kasi itong business namin it's mostly talaga is automation. So, hindi siya kailangan ng maraming oras mo, yung bang ganon. So, but of course, you still have to work on it. Although talagang napakalaking tulong na automated lahat. Yung email campaign, yung leads namin, andyan yan. It's running in the background na kahit na kami ay busy. So, sorry guys. break muna. But anyhow, yun ang ano ko diyan, why I like to work online, because of that, and of course, marami din akong growth sa sarili, na marami akong natutulungan na kahit na hindi ko business partner is ibang tao. Yung bang for me, I'm enjoying it because it's not only that I earn extra, I also have more time. And also, yung personal growth ko talaga. So, yun ang nagugustuhan ko dyan. Kasi, pagka hindi mo kasi na-share kung ano yung nalalaman mo, is parang, for what, di ba? So, dapat isinishare mo rin yun, di ba? So, yun ang nagustuhan ko, because we have a huge community. Meron kaming, tawag nun, hindi ka mag-iisa dito. When you want to work with us, you wanna start your business with us, hindi ka mag-iisa dito. Miguela, thank you for watching. Thank you, ladies. Maraming salamat. Appreciate you guys very much. So, hindi ka mag-iisa dito. So again, kung ano man yung matututunan mo is ma-share mo not only for your business partner or kahit kanino, because nagtutulungan kami dito. So yan ang kagandahan din. On top na Rosalyn, thank you for watching. On top na talagang na-access namin yung aming business anywhere. Ang pinakamahirap lang na part is talaga, hindi naman pinakamahirap, unti-untiin mo lang, is yung nag-aano ka pa lang, magsiset up ka pa lang ng account mo, nagsiset up ka ng, kasi meron kaming back office para doon sa automation na yan. So, isi-set up mo yan, and then isi-set up mo yan sa laptop mo, and then sa cellphone mo, di ba? Now, once na set up mo na yan, napakadali na lang kasi dala-dala mo yan kahit saan. Naandyan na lahat sa cellphone mo. Kaya super easy na lang sa amin na na-set up na yung business namin, yung back office namin, because kahit na andun ako, kasama ko anak ko, nag-golf kami, yan, ano pa rin ako, nakaka-respond pa rin ako sa messages, so you're not missing anything. So, kanina lang may nag-ask sa akin, so, how this one will work for me? I am stay-at-home mom, and then I'm homeschooling my kids. So, I said, it's perfect for you then, because you are, like, you won't miss anything. Because nag-homeschool ka, naandyan ka lang sa mga anak mo, and then, pagka busy ka sa anak mo, then you can just have your time with your kids, and then after that you can go back to your business because you own your time, diba? So it's perfect. So yun ang talagang super flexibility na talagang nagustuhan ko din dito sa negosyo na ito, because again, as I mentioned earlier, I am a busybody. I am a busy mom, and super active ang aking anak, at talagang tawag nun, marami akong inaano din sa bahay. Of course, marami tayong responsibility. Sabi nga nila, life is always busy. Pero kung hindi mo pagbigyan ng time ang sarili mo, is baka maloko ka rin. Life is always busy, but you have to give yourself a time. You have to give your family time. So, and that is hard to do when you are working for somebody. Right? It's hard to do. So, wala yung work-life balance. So, paano ka magkaroon ng work-life balance? Then, you got to have your own business na ikaw yung boss. You dictate your time. You dictate what time you want to work. You dictate how long you want to work. You know? All of those things. So, but again, of course, ikaw yung nag-grow sa business mo. You have the authority, ikaw yung boss na magdidictate kung ano yung gusto mong matutunan, kung paano mo i-run ang negosyo mo. So, ganun lang yun. The best part dito sa amin, it's because yun nga, mostly of the heavy lifting talagang run na yun ng automation. So, very easy na lang once na na-set up mo na ang iyong mga back office dito. Again, kaya talagang hindi lang naman yung sinasabi ko is limited dito sa business namin, but because marami diyan ang online business, maraming klaseng online business. However, you have to be very careful as well because marami ding scam, di ba? Marami ding scam. Pero lagi kong sinasabi, with us, we're very transparent. Before you even start your own business, you have the chance to check out everything. Makapasok pa kayo doon sa inside ng community namin. It's your choice if you wanna go in and have a look on who we are, what we do, how we earn money, all of those things. So, malalaman mo yan lahat before ka pa man mag-decide na mag-start ng sarili mong negosyo. But again, I'm not saying na it's easy. I'm not saying na it's hard. It's up to you. But everything is provided for you to succeed. So, maraming tao na talagang tinitake lang yung easy way, which is, ayun, nahuhulog sa mga scam. Yan yun. Madami. Ang dami kong nakilala na how many thousands of dollars ang nawalan. It's because you want the easy way. There you go. Easy money. Easy money ang gusto mo. Ayan, easy money nawala ang money mo. 'Di ba? Ikaw yung nawalan. So very very careful as well. For me, I'm always saying na we are very transparent because we are, and wala akong kinakahiya na wala akong tinatago. I'm always proud to share my business. But anyhow, I hope it makes sense, guys. But again, if you are thinking of if you are looking for something to do online, whether it's a business or employment man yan, so be very careful then, because yes, marami pong kalukuhan online. If you wanna know kung anong klaseng negosyo yung ginagawa ko, my website is in my business page. All you have to do is sign up with your name and email address, and after that, back office na po namin ang bahala na magpapadala sa inyo ng information na kailangan nyo. So yes, ganun po ka-easy yan, because pagka na-set up na ang iyong negosyo, the business that I'm doing. But anyhow, I always say na hindi porket na-set up mo na ang negosyo mo ay hindi mo gagawin yan. Yes, you have to do it. Just the same as any other businesses. Ang maganda lang dito is na andyan na nga, may support ka from the community, may support ka from your mentors and your coach, may support ka with the back office. So yeah, so anyhow, I hope it makes sense na hindi na ako maris. Thank you for watching. I'm not gonna stay long, guys, kasi naandito na naman ako sa dead spot, and I have to pick up something before I go home. Yeah, but anyhow, I hope it makes sense. So again, kung kayo ay naghahanap ng pagkakakitaan online, feel free to check out my website na andyan po sa aking business page. And once na ma-watch nyo na ang webinar, I'm always open na mag one-on-one tayo once na na-watch nyo na ang webinar. But I hope it makes sense, guys. There's a lot of advantages pagka nag-work ka online. Hindi lang yung work-life balance mo, or if I'm gonna clarify that one, if you have a business online. Not work online. Of course, work online with your business, but own your business, because para ikaw yung boss, ikaw yung sarili mong negosyo, sarili mong oras, sarili mong tawag nun, desisyon. There you go. So because for me, it's not with this business, I'm not only growing my finances, I'm also growing personally, and of course nagkakaroon ako ng maraming time para sa anak ko at sa sarili ko. So I would say na balanse ang buhay dito. Okay? Because if you are a working mom, oh boy,